Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and I want to welcome you back to another video. And today I am taking apart my classroom and then putting it back together. And I hope that this video gives you some motivation if you have a homeschool room or a homeschool space that either you're tired of or it's become messy over time, or the functioning is just not working out for you. Maybe you can just pop this on and we can clean together, or you can watch it beforehand and it can give you some motivation. After this video, I will post another video on a tour detailing exactly what everything is and where everything is. But for now, we are just going to get everything out of the way so I can sweep this room properly and figure out where I'm going to put all this furniture. I think the worst part of this project was taking out all the books, but putting everything back where it belonged was exciting because I got to see a lot of things that I wanted to do with the kids, a lot of books we haven't used in a while, and I got rid of a lot of books that I'm going to sell on Thrift Books, or I'm going to donate to our homeschool co-op. So the right side of the classroom is mostly things from my daughter, and the left side of the classroom is mostly things from my daughter, and then the right side is mostly things for my son. The second annoying thing is all the little knickknacks that are all over the place. Finding a place for it and trying my best not to just find a drawer and just dump it all in there. In the next video, when I show you guys the homeschool room tour, I'll explain why everything is where it is. But basically, I wanted to keep my kids close by, and we have these rolling chairs that we just love rolling all over the place. My kids take them and they roll all the way into the kitchen, and I find myself putting them back into the classroom every day. But yeah, so the ability to roll from my desk to each of them to help them has been very helpful and less exhausting for me. Because you know, when you're homeschooling, and you have multiple kids and you're still doing laundry and cooking and cleaning, it's tiring, it's physically draining. So if I can just roll my lazy butt all around the classroom, that's a win for me. By the way, if you're new to my channel or you have been checking out these videos for the first time, I guess that's the same thing. Or let me start over. If you're new to my channel or you've been seeing the last few videos that I've been posting and you are enjoying this content, please make sure that you guys subscribe. I am trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. I've been at this for a long time, but I've had so many setbacks in my life that have stopped me from being consistent and reaching the goal that I know that I would have been reached a long time ago. If you want to see some videos on homeschooling through hardships, I've been through a lot and I'm still going. So make sure you go back and, check out all the videos that are in my playlist. And just, I would really appreciate if you're not subscribed that you go ahead and subscribe. And if you are subscribed, that you go ahead and share this channel with other people. It's just really helpful for me and I would really appreciate it.